This video will tell you how to get subscribers on YouTube step by step. You can even do it as a new YouTube content creator. Let's get started with step 1. Getting to know your core audience. This is important because if you don't have a engaged audience of fans who show up to every video, then you have an unhealthy YouTube channel. Then your YouTube channel is not healthy. Let me explain. There's a very powerful metric that the YouTube algorithm looks at to determine if your YouTube channel is healthy or not. Your new viewers and your returning viewers. If you are bringing in a new audience and making them come back to watch your future videos, then your YouTube channel is healthy. But vice versa. If you have returning viewers but no new viewers, or if you have new viewers but no returning viewers, then your YouTube channel is unhealthy. Now step 2. Making 2 types of videos for 2 different audiences. Your new viewers and your returning viewers. The kinds of videos you'll be making for your new viewers will be how-to videos, tutorials, and trends based on your niche. And the other kind of videos will be community content, which will be more about you than more about your audience. For instance, if something happened in your niche, you can tell your audience all about that. Or like something did happen or is happening to your YouTube channel, you can talk about that. Now, a mistake I see a lot of YouTubers are able to make it is to put these videos into a membership, meaning your viewers have to join the membership to watch the video. But the whole point of making the community content was to make your new fans into super fans, not to buy things from you. That's a bonus, but to show up to every new video you make. But did you know there's another way to build up your community other than community videos? I will be making a video about that soon. So when that video is made, it'll be up on the screen now. But for now, YouTube thinks you like this video. So go ahead and click on that video, and I'll see you there.